Alexa, what's the news today?
Here's your flash briefing. In Fox News, political fallout.
Alexa, stop. I'm up. Alexa, turn on the master bedroom.
Okay.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, what's the weather?
In Buffalo, it's 40 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today, you can look for lots of clouds, with a high of 42 degrees and a low of 33 degrees.
Alexa, turn on the kitchen island.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the sink light.
Okay.
Alexa, what's today's date?
Today is Saturday, December 15th.
Alexa, turn on family room.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the TV.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on Christmas lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on ESPN.
Okay.
Alexa, my schedule today?
Watch the baby.
Alexa, show me baby's room. Mari, where are you? Alexa, show me basement. Oh, there you are, Mari. I wonder where you were. Mari, are you down there? Oh, there you are. I was wondering where you were. Okay. Alexa, what's my calendar today?
Today, there is one event remaining. At 3 p.m., there's doctor's appointment.
You have a doctor's appointment at 3 p.m.? Alexa, tell GMC to start my Sierra.
Okay. Start your car. What's your PIN?
3636.
Okay. I just sent the start request to your GMC Sierra Crew Cab.
Come on, Mari, we gotta go. Hey DIYers, this is just a little taste of all the home automation in my house, and I hope you subscribe to the channel. I'm going to go through it some more, and we'll see you in the next video.